In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a tally, so form into Notion for an auto email reply. This is a straightforward process that allows you to seamlessly integrate forms into your Notion pages while also setting up automated email responses. Let's dive in and examine each step to ensure everything's clear and easy to follow. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to Tally.so. Once you're there, click on the correct link to access the site. If you don't already have an account, you'll want to sign up, but today's video will assume you have one, so go ahead and log in. After logging in, you'll need to create your form in Tally. Feel free to get creative here, adding all the necessary fields and customizing it to suit your needs. Once you're satisfied with the design, click the Publish button to make it live. With your form published, the next step is to share it. Navigate to the Share tab of your published form. Here, you'll find different sharing options. For our purposes, you'll want to select the Standard Embed option. This option will provide you with an embed link. Be sure to copy this link as it will be essential for the next steps. Now, open up your Notion page where you'd like the form to appear. In the page, type Embed to bring up the options and select the Embed block. You'll see a prompt asking you to paste something. This is where you paste the Tally form embed link you've just copied. After pasting, go ahead and click Create Embed. Once that's done, your form should now appear on your Notion page. You can easily drag the corners of the embedded form to adjust its size to fit your layout perfectly. Experiment with this to see what looks best. With the form successfully embedded in Notion, our next task is to set up the auto email reply. Return to your form in Tally and navigate to the Form settings. Look for the option called Respondent Email Notifications and enable it. This is what will allow you to send automatic emails to people who fill out your form. Now, you'll want to configure the email content. This could be a summary of their submission, a personal thank you message, or any other relevant information you want your respondents to receive. Do note that configuring these auto email responses requires a Tally Pro subscription. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a Tally. So form into your Notion page and set up an automatic email reply system. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.